Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn colors name. Purple color, bottle green color, yellow color, light pink color, orange color, blue color, brown color, red color, dark pink color. Let's trace A to Z and 1 to 10. Let's get started. A for aeroplane. B for balloon. C for caterpillar. D for door. E for eagle. F for frog. G for gun. H for horse. I for pink. J for jump. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for ostrich. P for peacock. Q for quail. R for rose. S for sun. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for victory. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zigzag. Let's paint 1 to 10. 1 O-N-E 1. 2 T-O-W 2. 3 T-H-R-E-E 3. 4 F-O-U-R 4. 5 F-I-V-E 5. 6 S-I-X 6. 7 S-E-V-E-N 7. 8 E-I-G-S-T 8. 9 N-I-N-E 9. 10 T-E-N 10. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to practice this every day. and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.